Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make mint water for skin. Combine 1 cup fresh mint leaves with 10 cups filtered water, bruise leaves gently, and steep for 30 to 60 minutes. Strain into a sterilized glass bottle, cool completely, and refrigerate to preserve freshness. Use as a toner or facial mist twice daily. Patch test on a small area before full use and discard after 7 to 10 days. In this video, I will show how to make mint water for skin. Start by washing mint thoroughly, then gently bruise leaves to release oils before adding to water. Use room temperature filtered water for optimal extraction and avoid boiling to protect delicate compounds. Let the mixture sit covered, out of direct light, for at least 30 minutes. Strain carefully into a clean bottle and label with the date before refrigerating. In this video, I will show how to make mint water for skin. Quick recommendation. If you want a small mood boost between skincare steps, Little Tree's Black Ice adds a clean, classic scent to your car and can make that drive to pick up supplies feel nicer. If you found this helpful, please subscribe and hit like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make mint water for skin. Apply mint water with a cotton pad after cleansing or use it as a quick midday mist to cool and refresh your complexion. Mix a small amount with moisturizer or aloe for added hydration and calming benefits. Keep it refrigerated and use within a week for peak freshness, and discontinue if redness or irritation appears on your skin.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.